Kakanhun melatip kum ko All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association menta kasngi kalai puwe terik naitung arhajar arpusau kilas dang kajing yakhi da kabashong kalai mungor baklem bukpor Hamadan Malki. Kani kajing yakhi jongki kalalong ban pinsngiaw ya kasurkar halor kajing dawa ban pinkiu prap persen katulop jongki ban persen katkum karta ni kajing yo hikai jongki ban persen pat ban pinkiu manla usnam ha kaba kila dawa menta lakum ba pras nem AA. Hakane kajing le jongki kila buru ya ki katto katne ki kendon ain ki baki dukot nong hikai ki deban bud bat nyokor yaki kumbala ong da ka presiden jongki kong Jennifer Sandram khamtam baki de ki nong tre jong ka sorkar kumta kila bu ya ki ain baki dukot nong hikai kim deban penmi ya ki no ki jing ya huri hura bat kim de ru ban tho ya ki kentien hakaplakat jongki ka bapersya ya ka sorkar. Bat kino ki bapen Kenya kita ki kendon an kin hap kit kli hi maki shimet bat ka ken hun nong hikai SSA kam shem don jingkit kli yakum kita.
Visual peslo ya sarkar ba khasnya mentangi kemio ya ka enhancement jong ka tulop jongi. Ti ngimban si shu banginwan siya ka platform namar bang ilalong mo kat kung ka jingkiu jong ka mar ka mata menta ti kala ta bhai ka ko ka jongi kayeng kasan ko jongi idan na jong ki kon kiti. So for that reason we came here because for 8 years now we have been deprived of not enhancing our salary. So in which we have given 100% of our dedication, not 100, maybe more than that also a point of time, which we have to come today to put our requests to the government. As we know that we are also the government servants, we know how to follow the rules and regulation. We have to be very, since we are working in a particular organization where we have to, with our own roles, with our own values, with our own character and personality, we replace this to each and everyone, the children of the state. So for that reason, we want to sit in demonstration for a peaceful, so that the government could listen to our plea. So with all these conditions, with all these problems, I would also like to welcome and thanks all the members who are here today, and especially that side, and some are still on the way. Yesterday we got the message, the permit office. We have to abide by that. So please work with us as leaders, and please put your hands together and work together with us for the benefits and for the betterment of our family members. So to be disciplined and sit in a peaceful manner. Members are not allowed to shout or write slogans against the government. Banner and placards should consist of the theme we demand for an enhancement of 80%, yearly increment of 5%, and seniority of 2%. Members are not allowed to consume or drink any intoxicant or liquor, etc. during the protest. You can do that in your own choice, in your own home. So members are strictly not allowed to create any nuisance or any problem that will disrupt the protest, because that will fall against us. And if any members found breaking the above terms and conditions, they should be liable for their own sole act, and the association will not take any responsibility of such act. I know all of you are educated, all of you know the rules and regulation. Everybody, I hope you will follow these rules and regulation. And remember that we are here to fight for a common cause. We will definitely win. Cheers for the All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association. That is the 31st July 2024. So thank you for all the press who are here also. Thank you for all. Regarding 25% enhancements of salary, we have received a letter that it had been enhanced. It was not clearly written whether for the cluster resource person, for the block resource person is included or not. So I'll just tell you it is included. I have met the director also, SPD, and with my colleague, one person from Jaintia. He will also give me a little bit highlight on that. Let him talk. I'll give him chance because I asked him to do the deed.